In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collapse text outlines. If you're working in a long, structured document, collapsing outlines is a simple way to hide detail and focus on the big picture. An outline groups your content under headings. A level 1 paragraph is the highest level heading in that structure, the main section title that everything else beneath it belongs to. When you collapse a level 1 section, all the subordinate text and lower level headings under it are temporarily hidden, so you can scan your document quickly. Here's how to do it. Move your mouse pointer to a level 1 paragraph, the main heading you want to fold up. As you hover near the left edge of that line, right in the margin area beside the heading, you'll see a small gripper icon. It's the visual handle used to control that section. Make sure your pointer is over that small gripper, not over the text itself. Then double-click the gripper icon. Instantly the section collapses. You'll know it worked because the gripper changes its appearance and becomes a plus sign. That plus icon means the content under that heading is currently hidden. When you're ready to bring the content back, simply click the plus sign. One click expands the outline and restores everything that was folded away exactly where it was. If you need to collapse it again later, just repeat the same action. Hover over the gripper by the level 1 heading and double-click to collapse. Click the plus to expand. A few quick pointers for smooth results. Be sure you're on a level 1 paragraph. If nothing happens, you may be on a lower level heading or regular body text. Also, aim for the small gripper in the margin area. Double-clicking the text itself will place the cursor in the heading instead of collapsing the section. If the icon seems hard to spot, slow down and move your mouse left and right along the margin next to the heading until it appears. Collapsing outlines is great for reviewing structure, rearranging major sections, or presenting a clean overview during meetings. It doesn't delete anything, it simply tucks the content away until you expand it again. That's all there is to it. Move to a level 1 heading, double-click the small gripper icon to collapse, watch it switch to a plus sign, and click that plus whenever you want to expand. Thanks for watching and happy out.